What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video we're drawing Explosive for Fortnite Season 6. Now we're going to get started in the center of our page and draw two ovals for the eyes. So let's start all the way over on the left side from the very top. Just going to come down towards the bottom and pull that back up towards the top. Now let's line this up on the right side and do the same thing. Coming down towards the same height and then back up towards the top. Let's move to the center and draw in the mouth. We're going to start right in the middle and draw an oval going out toward the left, in towards the middle, and up on the right, and then back up towards the top. And then we'll add the edge of the mouth in the center. Starting on the left side, I'm just going to curve this down, and then bend that up. Now from here we're going to move up and draw the bottom edge of the helmet. Directly above the left eye, we're going to step up, draw a straight angled line, coming down and in, and go up and in towards the center. Let's add a notch, going straight up, angle down and out, and go up in an angle towards the right. Now it's going to slope the helmet coming down along the side. Go back to the left, angle down and out, do the same thing on the right. Let's connect the side of the helmet with a large half circle. We'll start back on the left, and go up, round up the helmet, come across, and then bend that down on the right. And then we'll add two straps coming down along the side. From the left side of the helmet, we'll step in, come straight down, and then bend that out. Let's flatten off the bottom with a short angled line coming down and in. And it'll follow that same curve, going back up underneath the helmet. Let's add a metal buckle along the bottom. We're going to step up, draw another straight angled line on both sides. And then on the left side, we're going to add 4 lines, starting along the bottom. Just leave an even spaced gap in between. Now we're going to draw the feathers coming out along the side of the head. We'll start from the bottom corner of the helmet, curve this down and then out, and taper that back in towards the side of the strap. Let's add another point. From the tip, we're going to step in, curve down and then out, and then taper that back in. Let's close off the bottom of the head. From the bottom of the strap, we're going to step up, angle down and in, angle up and in with a short line, and we'll curve this down and in towards the center point. Come down and then bend that in. Now we're going to add a marking across the right eye and the bottom of the chin. We'll start from underneath the helmet, curve this out and then down in behind the eye. Continue along the bottom towards the bottom of the head. I just want to taper that back up so it gets thicker, going up underneath the eye, and then continue along the top. Now I'm going to add that marking across the chin, starting on the left, angle up, come down, and then in, angle back up and out. Let's pull this in towards the center with a curve, coming down and then in, curve out and then up, and then come straight down towards the chin. Now we're going to go back up and add a simple camouflage texture across the helmet. Let's start on the top right, curve this down, up, and then back down, round up the inside, go up and then down, and bend that back up towards the side of the helmet. Let's go over towards the left side, curve this up and in, round this out, and then go back out towards the outside. Let's add another one along the bottom, going up and in, rounding this out, and then coming down. And then we'll add one more on the right side, curving up, rounding this out, and then pulling that back in. Now let's move down and draw on the side of the body. We start underneath the chin on the left side, curve the body going out, and then down towards the hip, go over towards the right, go out, and then down towards the same height. Now you want to connect the hips with the curve, but we're going to add 2 cracks along the way. Starting on the left, curve down and in, add a V, continue across, add a smaller V, and then go up towards the right hip. And then we'll move back up and draw the inside of the shoulder strap. On the left, we're going to step in, follow the same curve of the body, coming all the way down. And we'll add a small circle along the bottom and top of the strap. Let's add the dog tag in the center of the chest. Starting on the left, curve up and then down, straight down along the side, connect the bottom with a curve, coming down and then up. Let's go up to the top in the center, curve the chain going out and up on the left and the right side. And then we'll thicken this up. Stepping out, just trace that across the outside. Let's add that large red X in the center of the body. We start on the left, curve this down and then in, line this up on the right, come down and then in, and then add a point, going out and in, like a sideways V. Then from the side, angle down and out in behind the strap. Let's go back to the left, step down, curve in and then up. I'm going to add a point, come down and out with a short line, curve in and up towards the center. Now we're going to move down and draw the half shell along the lower torso. We're going to connect the hips with a half circle, come down in the middle, and then pull that back up on the right. Now we're going to tuck the thighs in underneath, leaving a small gap in the center. Go to the left side, curve the leg coming down and then out, go to the left and right. Let's go back to the left side, curve out and up, curve out and then down, and we'll add another point, going out and up. Let's add one more point on the outside, curving out and then down. Now I'm going to move back up and draw on the outside of the leg. From the top of the hip, we're going to step down, curve out and then down, and then we'll add a point. Taper this up, and we'll pull this down and then back in towards the bottom of the leg. Let's go to the inside of the leg, curve the leg going out and then down towards the heel. And then we'll round out the bottom of the feet. Let's start on the left side, curve the foot, coming down and then up. Let's go back to the left side and draw on the top of the foot. I'm just going to curve this up and then bend that down on the inside, then draw a straight angle line coming in. And then we'll add a half circle on top of the foot. Let's start on the outside, curve up and then down. And then from the bottom of the leg, draw a straight line coming down on top of the shoe. Now we're going to add a thick sole along the bottom of the feet. Let's take this curve, step up from the toe, and just trace that across on both sides. And then from the inside of the shoe tongue, curve down and then up to the edge of the sock. Let's add a strap going across the right thigh. Starting from the inside, come straight out, and bend that up, step up, and then draw that twice. And then we'll add a half oval on the outside of the leg. Starting from the top, curve this out, and then back in. Let's add that same camouflage pattern along the bottom. We're going to start on the left side, curve this down, and then up, round out the inside, come out, and then back down. Let's go to the top right, curve down, and then up, and then bend that back down. And we'll add one more along the bottom, starting in the center, curve up, and then out. Let's go all the way up to the top and draw on the shoulders. We're going to start halfway down the side of the body, curve the arm coming down and then out. Line this up on the right. And I'll add some points along the base of the arm. Starting back on the left, go straight up, curve out and then down. Now we're going to work our way along the outside of the arm. Starting back on the left, curve out and then up. Let's add another point. Go out and then down with a short line. Curve the shoulder going up and in behind the side of the head. Let's go to the inside of the shoulder, curve the arm going out and then down towards the wrist. And then from the wrist, we're going to draw a small half circle for the thumb and then close off the end with a bracket. Let's add 3 fingers on either side. We're going to start from the bottom of the thumb, come down and up around that bracket, step down, and then up. And then we'll start the 3rd finger on the outside, go out, just bring that up towards the wrist. Let's do the same thing on the right. Now I'm going to bring the edge of the glove back in toward the inside of the arm. Starting from the outside, go straight in, and then bend that down. Step down, draw that twice. Let's go to the outside of the glove, step in, curve the arm, going up and in underneath the shoulder. Now let's add that armor on top of the shoulders. Starting from the outside, draw a straight angle line coming down and in. And then from the inside, curve up and then in towards the side of the body. Let's add some camouflage along the shoulder. Starting from the outside, curve in and then all the way down. Go to the inside, curve up and then in, and bend that back up. Let's go over towards the right side, curve out and then down, step out, go up and out, bend that back in towards the top. And that's pretty much it. There's Explosive from Fortnite Season 6. If you enjoyed today's video, then follow me to our next lesson or check out our Fortnite playlist. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again soon.